multi-leader application. I'll see whether you'll be able to force the username and password. So let's proceed. How do you test for XSS? XSS stands for cross-site scripting. It's the type of vulnerability that allows an attacker to send in malicious script. The script can be HTML script, can be JavaScript, can be into the user browser. So this application, this vulnerability is executed by it allows an attacker to send a malicious scripting into your web application. How do you test for XSS? You can embed the XSS period on the target URL. You can embed it on the search page. You can embed it on different places. So you can see this is a malicious script. So let's do some simple tests to see. So we have different types of SSL. We have a DOM-based SSS, we have a reflected SSS, we have stored SSS. A reflected SSS is only executed at the browser. It's not stored on the web application server. But the stored SSS is stored at the web application server. So for example, let me go back to my automoja.com. If I want to know whether the search field is vulnerable to XSS, or if I want to validate the XSS vulnerability, I can just type a simple search. If I'm searching for Jane, telling me that Jane is not found, right? Let me see if I can send a simple script, right? Simple HTML script. So you can see that it executed the script. So if your script is executed, so that means that application is able to process scripting. So let me try some simple scripting JavaScript, right? So you can see it executed the JavaScript. That means this application is vulnerable to cross-site scripting. So let's do some further exploration with cross-site scripting. So I want to do exploration with one of my the web application. Let's look at the buggy web application. So I believe you have your buggy web application already installed on your VMware. This bbox. Start the machine. So by the time you start the machine, it should take you to this page, right? Take you to this page. So you enter your credentials. It's a debug. What we want to do, we want to try a simulation of stored SSS. Let me see whether this guy is vulnerable to SSS. Let me type a simple HTML script. So you can see that is executing the script, and it seems that the script is stored into the database. So that if I log on, log out, and log in, let me see whether I will see. Let me go back to the store. You can see that this script has been stored to the database, into the web server. So let's see whether we can do something much more interesting, right? So I want to use let me go to my attacking machine. I know that this application is vulnerable to this XSS, right? So what I will just need to I'll go to my attacking machine. I go and set up a listener with my netcat. Let's set up a listener. Let me open up my terminals. So let me set up a listener on so the listener should listen on. We can pick any of these ports, maybe listener to listen on ports. You can choose any port anyway, but for the purpose of this class, let's just do 1122. So here's my stuff again on this session again. I think is so I'm listening on port 1122. I'll set up the listening port. Why I'm doing that, or before I set up the listening port, let me first and foremost inject the application. I want to deface this application. With an XSS, you can use it to deface a web application with your own, especially with the store XSS, because I know that this application is vulnerable. So let me see. I want to, whenever people log onto this application, I don't want them to be seeing this. I want to deceive them to enter username and password, so that and that username and password can be captured online with time. So what I just need to do, I will write a simple form to capture username and password. I think I've written that one already. I will explain the form now. So this is a form, just a form to capture username and password. And the action of the form, I put the action of the form that it should take me to my listening machine. So let me just copy this script, this simple form script. Let me go back to my vulnerable application. Let me copy this here. So you can see that the face of the application has been defaced. Even if I log out and log in again, because it has stored the parameters. So you can see. So anybody that log in, they'll be thinking that the application is asking them for username and password again. So now that I've displaced the application, and I can now set up my listener for my attacking machine. Let me set up the listener. We'll be listening on port 1122. Meanwhile, if you look at this my form, to take me to, so now that I've set up my listener, let's try and see whether an innocent user will type the real password. Let's presume I'm an admin user. Just a very, let me just type something. Let me click on login. So the thing is, because I'm listening, it will keep rotating. So let me go back to my listener, whether to observe whether I've been able to get a prey. So here's my, so you can see immediately I enter my username and password. You can see that the username and password has been captured because I'm listening to people username and password. So that's how dangerous a stored XSS could be. You can use the stored XSS to set up if you know how to use your script army, you can use it to set up a listening port and all of